let's see how to make an outline text in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to create an outline text, simply highlight the text that you want to create an outline of. From here, make sure that you're on the Home tab. Now click on this icon right here, which will open up a list of different presets that you can use for an outline text. You can also simply click on outline right here, and you can set the color of your outline as well as the weight or the thickness of your outline, as well as the design, such as dashes, or if you want it to be dotted. And that is how you set an outline text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.